Rhetorical Modes 1. Narration. This PowerPoint presentation will define and explain narrative writing. Narrative writing can be fictional or non-fictional. For this presentation, the focus will be on explaining non-fictional narrative writing. This type of writing involves telling stories or recalling events often used to support a claim. Two kinds of narratives, Part 1. Quite often, writers compose two kinds of narratives. The first kind is an extended narrative. An extended narrative often encompasses an entire essay. In this kind of narrative, the entire story often contains an idea or ideas that support a major claim. In the case of an extended narrative, the entire narrative illustrates a point. For example, a writer may relate an unpleasant experience at the Department of Motor Vehicles. This entire narrative could serve as support for a claim that the department needs to be reformed in some way. Two kinds of narratives, Part 2. The second kind of narrative is called an anecdote. Anecdotes are shorter than extended narratives, yet they also serve as evidence to support a claim similar to extended narratives. In an essay, a writer may include several anecdotes within the course of one essay. These anecdotes may serve to support a general claim. For instance, an unpleasant trip to the Department of Motor Vehicles may be just one of several anecdotes in an essay used to support a claim of general government reform. The narrative mode and PAPA. When composing persuasive essays in the narrative mode, writers demonstrate PAPA effectively. The essay demonstrates a clear purpose. Writers have an intended audience. The tone of the writing captures a persona. And the narrative essay makes an argument. Narrative writing can be a persuasive way to deliver an argument to an audience. Emotion and tone are powerful ways to convey a message or make an argument. Because narrative essays often appeal to emotion, they are a great way to reach an audience. Objective and subjective narratives. Narrative essays are often related to audiences objectively or subjectively. With objective narration, a writer may want to merely stick to the facts of a story or anecdote. This type of narration serves to inform an audience who may not be familiar with the subject. On the other hand, subjective narration may be intended for an audience already familiar with an issue. This type of narration may be intended to persuade rather than inform. Whether the essay is entirely composed of a narrative, or there are several short stories within one essay, narrative writing can be a great way to get a message across to an audience. Hopefully, this PowerPoint has been helpful in explaining narrative writing. Have fun and enjoy writing.